Hey everyone, we've got back in stock our Ultra Thermostat housing assembly. This is an all billet aluminum piece, well built, machined, been very popular for us, especially for the Cobra kit car guys, earlier Mustangs, other muscle cars, and it does serve a purpose besides just looking good. So let's just dive into a little bit deeper here, talk about what it comes with. We're going to get it to you as a full, complete assembly when you purchase it this way. With the thermostat, your hardware, you'll get the gasket, you'll have the heater hose fitting here, has the NPT fittings that will thread in here just loosely, and this is going to be removed when you're filling the cooling system. And that's when you'll know when all the air is burped out of the system. You have some additional fittings here too, so maybe if you want to run a sensor. It has an O-ring here. If I get close enough, yeah, you can see it on the top, and then there's one on the bottom. So this actually can be flipped around 180 degrees based upon the application, so that'll come in handy. This actually has an O-ring on it too, so that just gets threaded in place. Once everything locks down, this makes a nice tight seal. And again, why you want to use this over the factory thermostat, I don't have a factory Ford one here, but oftentimes they're cheap. The chrome ones crack over time and then they leak. So that's going to remedy this. It raises the housing up higher. So oftentimes the factory housings sit lower than the radiator itself, and that causes a problem. You could be maybe as much as a gallon short when we fill in the cooling system and overheat the engine, not even know it. So that's the remedy to this. It raises it up, burps all the coolant out of the system automatically. You could just release this off the side, thread that back in when it's full. It comes with 3 pieces here. You have this lower half, and then you'll have the upper half and the 16-pound cap. We flip this around, and there it is from the view in the back. This gets mounted to the intake manifold itself, and it's all available through tdmotion.com.